Good evening, all dear participants. We will start within 2 minutes. Joint director will join soon, and then we will immediately start. We have with us Dr. Garg sir from Atal Academy, New Delhi. So I heartily welcome Garg sir also.
Thank you, sir.
Garg sir, yes, sir. So we will,
Namaskar.
yes, we will wait for further 2 to 3 minutes. Let the
No
joint
issue.
director.
No issue.
Okay, sir.
पता
Banswar sir.
Welcome to all my dear colleagues and participants. To improve the golden moment of opportunity and catch the good that is in our reach is the great art of life. A very warm good evening to Sri Nyandev Nathe sir, Joint Director, Technical Education, Regional Office, Nashik. To Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg sir, Assistant Director, AICT Atal Academy Program.
One
To
minute.
Dr. Sunil Wesley sir, Principal Government Polytechnic Jalgaon, and my dear colleagues. I am Dr. Kuldeep, lecturer in Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon. Welcome you all for this valedictory function of 1 week AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored faculty development training program on effective OB implementation using learning management systems. It is a matter of immense pride to be here all of you in this evening. I virtually welcome to the guest of honor, Shri D.P. Nate sir and Dr. G.L. Garg sir, Assistant Director, on behalf of Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. A pessimist complains about the mind, an optimist tries to change it, and a leader adjusts the sails. So I request to Dr. Prashant Argade to review the 1 week faculty development training program in brief.
Thank you, Banswar sir. A very good evening, one and all present in this meeting. We have with us today Honorable Professor D.P. Nate sir, Joint Director Technical Education, RO Nasik. We are very fortunate to have Honorable Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg sir, who is the Assistant Director, AICTE Training and Learning Academy, New Delhi. Before to give the brief about the FDP program, I would like to introduce some important features of our institutes. Our institute is one of the premium institutes of Government of Maharashtra, which was established in the year 1960 with the basic branches of engineering. The institute has vision to be a premier institute for transforming learners into competent technicians and pharmacists, as we have a pharmacy department also. That department was established in 1964, having the separate building, which is approved by the Pharmacy Council of India as well as AICTE New Delhi. The Department of Pharmacy has highly qualified, committed and motivated faculty members. We have all well-equipped laboratories with the spacious infrastructure. I feel proud to announce that there is some important figures in our department in GP Jalgaon. So I feel it is a matter of pride for us, as continuously we are engaging in conducting various types of programs sponsored by the AICTE, DTE, MSBTE. And our department has got the excellent grade since from academic year 2014 from MSBTE. Apart from that, the Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon is well acquainted with the all online teaching learning trainings programs. In these COVID-19 pandemic situations, the faculty members of Department of Pharmacy from Government Polytechnic Jalgaon has given the training to the teaching faculty from all over the India. So in the January 2020, we have organized the 8-week FDP program under the AICTE OKRI Leadership Change Management Project. After that, we have conducted one 4-week faculty development program on online teaching learning process, which was approved by the MSBT. It is exactly, we have conducted that particular training program when the lockdown is started. So most of the faculty members who have attended that training program, they have get benefited, they are get acquainted with the online teaching learning process, and immediately they have implemented that things in their teaching and learning process. After that, we have conducted one APTI approved 4-week faculty development program. After some days, most of the institutes from the Maharashtra or from other outside of Maharashtra has approached to our department, has requested us to design some of the FDP programs for their individual faculty members. So we have designed that and we have delivered that particular faculty development program for their faculty members. I feel very proud that the faculty member from Department of Pharmacy has delivered more than 100 sessions in online teaching learning process in this pandemic session. So in this, keeping this thing in mind, we have submitted the one proposal to the Atal Academy New Delhi on the effective OB implementation using learning management system. And we are very fortunate to get an opportunity to conduct this FDP under the flagship of Atal AICTE New Delhi. So when you read this title of this FDP, we have divided into 3 parts, that is outcome-based education, ICT tools in teaching and learning process, and learning management system. So objectives also we have divided into the 3 parts and day-wise objectives as follows. Day 1, the theme of day 1 is OBA philosophy. We have arranged the sessions with the keeping in view that outcomes to create the awareness among the faculty members about outcome-based education system and to understand the implementation of outcome-based education in MBA process. The theme of day 2 is innovative teaching practices. To use various innovative teaching learning methods are the learning outcomes for the day 2. On day 3, we have discussed about the Moodle as a learning management system. In this, the teachers are trained in scientifically validated teaching learning methods and teachers are unable to use the LMS such as Moodle. On day 4, we have clubbed the LMS with the OBE. So we have given the theme for the day 4 is OBE assessment and evaluation using Moodle platform. Faculty members are able to design, formulate, and run Genomio Moodle for their own course as per OBE requirement. On day 5, we have keep this theme in front of us, that is learners' motivations and stress management. How to engage the learners in traditional as well as online teaching learning process and how to manage their stress we have discussed in day number 5. On day number 1, this Atal training program is inaugurated by the hands of our principal, Dr. S.B. Wesley sir. We have conducted a number of sessions. The one of the session conducted by Dr. P. Maliga ma'am, who is the associate professor for NITTTR Chennai. She has given insight in the relation of Bloom's taxonomy and 21st century life skills for the learners. She has discussed the various action verbs which are required to design the course outcomes and also discussing various interactive and innovative teaching methods. After that, we have a session on use of Moodle for implementation of OBE by Dr. Vinay Kulkarni. Sir has given insight in how this OBE should be implemented with the help of this Moodle platform. Why Moodle is used for the implementation of OBE, sir has explained very nicely, and most of the participants has given the appreciations to the Vinay Kulkarni sir. On day 2, Dr. C.R. Patil, who is the professor from DIPSAR New Delhi, has delivered the session on adopting ICT tools for implementation of OBE, in which sir has given insight about the OBE blended teaching learning process, various LMS platforms, as well as the learning resources. After that, Dr. Kuldeep Bansod has delivered the session on creation of learning resources, in which sir has given various tools for the creation of learning resources, also give the live demonstration how to create good learning resources by using PowerPoint, how to record the video by using PowerPoint. After that, the learning styles and the learning needs are to be identified. So Dr. Kare has given deep insights about the different learning strategies which are required to implement to satisfy the needs of the learners. Sir has given very nicely information about how to know your learner and how to know their learning styles. On day 3, we have a resource person with us, Dr. R.J. Dias, HOD Diploma in Pharmacy, Government College of Pharmacy. Sir has given introduction to Moodle as a LMS. Sir has given the live demonstration how to create the Moodle site on Genomio platform, how to create the course, how to add the learning resources into that. After that, we have discussed about the user management and addition of interactive resources on this Moodle platform. How to add the users on site, how to add the users on the Moodle course was discussed during this session. After that, Dr. Bansod has given the insights how to use the various activities which are available in Moodle platform so that we can able to map them with the competencies so that the CO and PO outcome can be achieved. So effective use of various activities in Moodle is taken by Dr. K.U. Bansod. During his session, some of the participants have participated in poll also. On day 4, again, Dr. R.J. Dias has given insights in OB assessment and use of rubrics, in which he has discussed about the different formative as well as summative assessment methods. Mainly, he has focused on the rubrics and use of rubrics in the implementation of OB process. Sir has given stepwise methods for the creation of rubrics and also taken the one activity so that participants are able to create the rubrics. After that, how to do the assessment by using this Moodle platform was explained by Dr. Prashant Dargade. Various techniques of formative assessment are available in the Moodle platform was discussed during the session with the live demonstration. Different quiz cheatings and how to overcome that cheatings by using Moodle platform has been discussed during that particular session. After that, the most important part of our FDP, that is the calculation of CO and PO attainment, was taken by the Dr. Vinay Kulkarni from D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akrodi, Pune. Sir has given the case study. Sir has shown their own case study, how they have calculated the POs and COs by using this Moodle platform. This was the marathon session, is continued till 2.45 hours. All the participants are there and they have shown their active participations and already appreciation given to the Vinay Kulkarni sir. Today morning, we have conducted one session, how to engage your learners, how to motivate them to get entered into the Moodle course. What are the different blocks are available on Moodle platform, so we can able to give the gamification in our course was discussed during that particular session. And at last, Dr. Kuldeep Bansod has given one session on stress management, which was very important in day-to-day life. Even in this COVID-19 pandemic situation, it is very much required. How to manage our stress. So as per the Atal norms, we have conducted one session on stress management. Sir has discussed various techniques. Also, sir has given 2 assignments to the participants to calculate their stress scores so that they can able to manage their stress. For this training program, we have developed one Moodle platform on Genomio course, on Genomio Moodle platform. I'm going to give a live demonstration for 2 minutes. So let me share the entire screen. So I would like to show how the participants has participated in that particular. So this was the site which we have developed for this training program. The effective OB implementation using learning management system. So this platform we have developed for the blending learning methods. In that we have divided into the 5 sections, day 1, day 2, day 3. Already we have uploaded the recorded videos of all the sessions. The live demonstration is already given on this platform. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 and day 5, and we have conducted the final assessment test on that particular platform. We have also given some encouragement to our participants. Those who secured the more than 80% marks, they will be awarded by using this virtual trophy. This is the result of today's If you are able to see on right side, this is the final result of final assessment test for Atal FDP. The top 20 highest participants are displayed on this leaderboard. And if you see, there are around 9 participants who got more than 80% marks. And already they have awarded with this virtual trophy. So I am just going to show you the virtual trophy of one of the participants. So for that, I have to log in as a participant. So this is the one of the participants login, that is Dr. Indu Tyagi ma'am. And she has got this kind of trophy along with the encouraging message. So not only giving the theoretical knowledge to the participants, we are tried to give the practical demonstrations. And already whatever we have discussed, immediately the participants will participate as a learner, as a student, as a FDP participants, as a delegates in online this platform, so that they will also have an experience how to work the Moodle and how it will be beneficial. So as a coordinator, I should thank you to all the dear participants for their active participation during this all 5 days. I'm also thankful to the Atal Academy for giving us an opportunity to conduct such a kind of FDP program. Thank you very much. Over to you, Bansur sir.
Thank you, Dr. Prashant, for briefing the FDP very nicely. The successfulness of the faculty development program is measured by the 2 ways. One is through the examination that is already going on the Moodle, and it is still on up to 7 p.m. The another method is the indirect method, that is through the feedback. Definitely, we have taken a feedback from the participants after each session, which is available with us, but it is in an asynchronous manner. Now, let's have the feedback from the participants in a synchronous manner. So, I would like to invite Dr. Nitin Dumure sir, Principal, Dadasaheb Balpande Institute of Pharmacy, Desa, Nagpur, to give feedback. Yes,
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Very good evening to all. Respected GP Nate sir, Joint Director, Nashik Region, Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg sir, Assistant Director, Atal Academy, New Delhi, respected Principal Wesley sir, GP Jalgaon, Coordinator of the this FDP AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy FDP, Dr. Aragade. I am here to give feedback on this 1 week online FDP, which was from last 5 days. We are attending it. Really, it was a very great experience as far as need of current situation is concerned. We go through all these 14 lectures, which were organized by GP Jalgaon team on theme effective OB implementation using learning management system, where all the aspects are related with OB, ICT, as well as learning management system were covered by all learned speakers who were there for this FDP. And I'm 100% sure that all the participants who was witnessed this all sessions they were having highly learning experience. They acquainted with various aspects of this OB implementation, use of rubrics, COPO attachment, where we can say use of different this Moodle platform, as well as adopting ICT tool for this learning OB. Then stress management, which was last lecture of this FDP, which was conducted by Dr. Kuldeep Bansur sir. As this is need of today's, as from last 1.5 years, we are going through all this pandemic situation where physical education is not possible for we people. So we have to learn with this current method, educative method. And it was highly and effectively presented by all the speakers. Many congratulations to team GP Jalgaon, particularly to the coordinator, Prashant Aragade sir, Bansur sir, then Kahale sir, who these people have covered all the parameters associated with this OB implementation in this online FDP platform. So on behalf of all participants, I said we all are 99% acquainted with all the things which you provide for we people to inculcate in these things to the students. So thank you very much, and hope this type of FDPs will be there in future from your side also. So overall, it was very great learning experience for all the participants. So congratulations to all, and thanks. That's it from my side, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Nitin Dumure, sir. Participant feedback will always give a scope to perform better and find out the different opportunities. Now, I call upon Mrs. Vandana Patil, Principal MGV Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik, to give the feedback.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Very good evening to all of you. Honorable Professor Nate, sir, Joint Director, Nasik. Honorable Dr. Girdhari Garg, Assistant Director, Atal Academy. Principal Dr. Weasley. Dr. Prashant Targade, Program Coordinator. And my dear colleagues. First and foremost, I'm very grateful to the organizers for giving me an opportunity to present my feedback on this online FDP, which is sponsored by Atal Academy. In alignment with the National Education Policy 2020, now most of the colleges are going for the process of accreditation and arranging such effective OBE implementation using LMS is really the need of an hour. What OBE says what the students have learned. It is not what the teacher has taught. And as a student, as a learner for this 5 days online FDP, I must say that I have learned many new things from this 5 days online EFDP program, which is arranged by Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. I congratulate Dr. Prashant Targade and his entire team for beautifully executing this online FDP. I must say the entire online FDP was very well planned and designed. The material was very apt and precise. The videos were very informative, and also they were very easy to learn and use. And all the sessions by all the resource persons, they were very professional and they were well presented. The topics which were covered, like the basics of philosophy of OBE, the Bloom's taxonomy, using Moodle for implementation of OBE, using ICT tools, using rubrics, COPO attainment through Moodle, it was brilliantly covered by all the resource persons. And I take this opportunity to extend my wholehearted thanks to all the resource persons. Now, in the present scenario, the online courses are widely arranged by different educational institutions. And FDP by Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon has proven to be a boon to all we teachers. We as teachers, we are always looking for new innovative techniques to update ourselves with the technological advancement. And this online FDP is definitely going to be very beneficial to all we teachers in this tech-savvy world. This FDP has helped all of us to be more and more creative with our teaching skills while we educate our students. And it has helped all of us to update ourselves to the innovative technologies to keep in pace with the changing scenarios. This FDP has expanded my understanding of what is OBE and how it can be used and taught to develop the students. The online FDP program definitely was really very, very informative, amazing, and I've had a very great time, great learning experience for the past 5 days. I'm indeed very honored and I'm very glad to be the part of this FDP. And I must say, Dr. Prashant Targade, your hard work and commitment has come out very well. I thank the entire team of Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon, Dr. Vivek Kahale, Dr. Kuldeep Bansod sir, and heartiest congratulations to all of you on successful completion of this online FDP. And we look forward for having such more sessions from Government Polytechnic Jalgaon in you, and I wish a good day ahead. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Mandana ma'am. In line with you, the objective of the FDP, whether it is implemented or not, definitely we will send the report toward the AICTE by calculating it through the marks obtained in the assessment examination. Now I call upon Mr. Amol Ghodke from Rajashri Shahu College of Pharmacy, Buldana, to give the feedback.
Thank you, sir,
Yes, dear Amol. Yes, dear
for
Amol.
giving me opportunity. A very good afternoon, a very good evening, one and all. Hello, everyone. I, Amol Ghodke, Assistant Professor from Rajashri Shahu College of Pharmacy, Buldana. I would like to share my experience on AICTE sponsor online 1 week faculty development on effective OBE implementation using learning management system, which is organized by Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. First of all, I take this privilege to congratulate Honorable, respected Principal Sir of Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon, then Dr. Kuldeep Bansod Sir and Dr. Prashant Argade Sir, organizer of this FDP, all the resource person of this FDP, and whole team of this FDP. Congratulations. This FDP give us lots of information and enlightening us with the knowledge of different resource persons. This FDP act as a bridge between the teachers who are quite unknown about the LMS, new learning management system, then OBE, ICT, LMS, Moodle software, and their application in teaching. This FDP no doubt will help all the participants to how to conduct, how to create quiz, exams, assignment, projects, their evaluation, and evaluation of all these activities, their implementation in teaching. On this FDP, on starting from 1 day to day 5, all the sessions are very informative and all are very excellent session. So once again, I would like to congratulate all the team of organization. I feel very lucky to be a part of this FDP as a participant, and I from on the behalf of all the participant, we assure you, sir, definitely we utilize this new learning management and modules in our teaching. So thank you. With these few words, I would like to conclude. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, dear Amol. If any participant wants to give the feedback, please raise their hand so that we can admit them. Yes, definitely. You are putting the feedback in the chat box. Yes, Deepak Patil sir, you can unmute yourself and deliver the feedback.
So thank you very much, because I'm using the Moodle since from 2 to 3 years, but still this joining to this particular faculty development program, I was also get updated, and all the implementation of OBE through the Moodle, that was a very nice experience for the new as well as those who are already acquainted with the Moodle. Thank you to all for allowing us to be a participant for this particular Atal FDP. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your nice words. Is any other participant? would like to deliver a feedback? Okay, no issue. The fragrance of flower spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all the directions. Though the Dr. Girdarilal Garg sir is not directly in a contact with us, but his fragrance, his commitment toward the work is reaches toward us through the different direction, through the different systems. Dr. Girdarilal Garg is a very diverse, fun-loving and motivational personality. He is currently working as Assistant Director in All India Council of Technical Education, Government of India, and previously served in Department of Science and Technology, Government of Rajasthan. This was when he came in a contact with His Holiness Sri Ravi Shankar Ji and has been voluntarily dispersing his supreme knowledge since 2000 under the guidance of His Holiness himself. He has worked for the several years in the remote village areas for their upliftment in all walks of life. He has also involved himself for reformation of the jail inmates. He has also served as the YLTP coordinator from 2000 to 2010 and is currently teaching happiness, rural happiness. So such a diverse personality is with us, and I request to Dr. Garg sir, please.
Thank you.
Us
Yeah.
with your wordings.
आवाज साफ आ रही है सर?
आ रही सर, आवाज आ रही है?
है। प्रणाम प्रोफेसर डीपी नाथे सर, प्रणाम। मैं सबसे पहले तो वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू प्रशांत सर। प्रशांत सर ने मुझे मैसेज किया और मुझे लगा कि नहीं, जो टॉपिक है वो हम लोग फीडबैक सुनना ही पसंद करते हैं। एक्चुअली हमको लगता है हमारा फीडबैक सक्सेसफुल रहा तो हमारा प्रोग्राम सक्सेसफुल है। तो डॉक्टर नितिन, डॉक्टर बन्ना पाटिल, डॉक्टर अमोल, डॉक्टर दीपक, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू ऑल। एक्चुअली जो रियल पिक्चर है वो हमको फीडबैक से ही मिलती है। और क्योंकि ऑनलाइन में यदि फीडबैक अच्छा है तो प्रोग्राम अच्छा है, तो हमारा प्रोग्राम तो वैसे ही सक्सेसफुल हो गया। डॉक्टर प्रशांत सर, आपने इतना अच्छा फीडबैक सुनाया, वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल। हम तो बोलते हैं VICT ने जो थोड़ा स्पॉन्सरशिप किया उसका 10 टाइम्स हमको मिल गया, ये मानते हम तो। और ये टुडेज नीड है जो आपने किया। आउटकम बेस्ड एजुकेशन यदि नहीं करेंगे आने वाले टाइम में तो ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन या ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग में कुछ हो भी नहीं पाएगा। और सेम टॉपिक प्रशांत सर कल हमने करीब 2 घंटे डिस्कस किया हमारे ब्यूरो में कि भाई इसको और मॉडल्स को कैसे और यूज किया जाए, कैसे OB को और सबके साथ एक्वेंटेड किया जाए, फैमिलराइज किया जाए, जिससे मैक्सिमम लोग इसको यूज कर सके। और ये पक्की बात मानो, जो अच्छा करेगा वही आगे बढ़ेगा, ये पक्की बात। आने वाले टाइम में यू कांट मेक ए फूल, आप किसी को बेवकूफ नहीं बना सकते। और स्पेशली आई एम टेलिंग सो लर्नड फैकल्टीज को यू कांट मेक फूल, दे हैव ए प्रीशियस टाइम। उनके पास में एक मिनट बहुत प्रीशियस है एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू ऑल। और की बात आपने प्रैक्टिकल डेमोस्ट्रेशन किया हर चीज का, वो हमें बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के। मुझे ये लग रहा है कि नहीं, जो हम चाह रहे हैं वो चीजें हो रही है। और गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज, हम लोगों ने आपको बता दें, आपका कॉलेज बहुत प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट है, इसलिए आपको प्रोग्राम मिला है। ऑनेस्टली बता दें, हम लोगों को 5000 प्रपोजल पूरे इंडिया में आए थे। उसमें IITs के प्रपोजल थे, NITs के थे, IIIT के थे, ITRS के थे, DRDO, बार, CDEC, ऑल प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट्स। बट दिस प्रपोजल हैव समथिंग। और जो हमारे स्क्रूटनी कमेटी आपको बता, हम थोड़ा सीक्रेट नहीं बता सकते कौन कौन थे उसमें, टॉप डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ IITs थे सारे, जिन्होंने शॉर्ट आउट किया प्रोग्राम। तो गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक हैव ए प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट। नाउ व्हाट आई थिंक कि 5000 में से यदि आपको प्रोग्राम मिल रहा है तो आप वैसे भी आप प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट में से हैं। और प्रशांत सर आपने प्रूव कर दिया। वी आर रियली वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू, योर टीम, कुलदीप सर एंड आपके विवेक सर, जिनका भी नाम लिया, डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट पूरी टीम को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। मैं थोड़ा फैकल्टी से 2 या 3 मिनट ज्यादा बात करूंगा इस चीज को लेकर। देखो, आने वाला टाइम आपका ही है फैकल्टी को। यदि आप अच्छा पढ़ाएंगे ना, बच्चों को रिसेप्टिव लेवल जितना इनोवेटिव रहेगा, जितना क्रिएटिव रहेगा, उतना अच्छा रहेगा। क्योंकि एक फैकल्टी पूरे कॉलेज का सिनेरियो चेंज कर देती है। बेसिकली मैं एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियर, मेरे टाइम की मेरी फैकल्टी आज भी याद है, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा टफ थी, उस टाइम टफ थी, पर वो याद है। तो जितनी फैकल्टी टफ रहेगी या मेंटर की तरह रहेंगे वो याद किए जाएंगे, और उन्हीं की वजह से आज हम लोग कहीं पहुंचे तो उन्हीं की वजह से पहुंचे हैं। तो मैं फैकल्टी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि एज ए मेंटर ही ट्रीट करें बच्चों को आप, क्योंकि यदि आपने अच्छे से एज ए फ्रेंडलीनेस अच्छे से वो इनकलकेट नहीं किया ना, तो आने वाले टाइम में जो बच्चे हैं ना वो क्या बोलेंगे वो आप जानते हो। बच्चों को आइडल चाहिए, बच्चों के पास आइडल खत्म हो गए। हमारे आइडल टीचर हुआ करते थे, डीपी सर प्रशांत सर समझ सकते हैं कि हमारे आइडल टीचर हुआ करते उस टाइम को। आज बच्चों के आइडल्स कुछ और हो गए हैं। बच्चों को यदि आइडल टीचर मिलेगा ना, तो आई एम टेलिंग उनका लाइफ पूरा इतना चेंज हो जाएगा, आप सोच नहीं सकते। एक मेंटर, एक टीचर अच्छा मिल जाए जिंदगी में, पूरा लाइफ इतना वैल्यू एडिशन में गुजरता है, इतना एलिवेटेड निकलता है, इतनी इंथुसियास्टिक निकलता है, आप सोच नहीं सकते। फैकल्टी को मैं 2-3 चीजें बोलूंगा, प्लीज डोंट बी फुटबॉल ऑफ अदर्स ओपिनियन। दूसरे क्या कह रहे हैं, दूसरे क्या सुन रहे हैं, छोड़े इस चीज को। आपकी क्वालिटी आपको पता है, आप क्या है आपको पता है। प्राइड योर प्रोफेशन, इतना प्राइड करें अपने आप को, दूसरों से प्राइड करवाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़े आपको। गिव योर रेस्पेक्ट टू योर सेल्फ। आप अपने आप को इतना रेस्पेक्ट दें, कोई दूसरा रेस्पेक्ट दे या नहीं दे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। यदि आप अपने आप को रेस्पेक्ट करेंगे ना, तो nobody have dared to insult you, nobody dared to say single word against you. Please respect yourself, pride your profession, and go in contribution, don't go in competition. हर एक का अपना लिमिट है, हर एक का अपना एजुकेशन है, हर एक का अपना फैमिली बैकग्राउंड है, हर एक का अपना मेंटल सेट है, मेंटल माइंड सेट है। अपने व्हाट यू आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट, यू आर नंबर 1, यू आर यूनिक, यू आर द लकीएस्ट पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड। आई एम टेलिंग, आपका जैसा इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं है, नो बडी, अनकम्पेरेबल। आप यूनिक है, आप नंबर 1 है। ऑलवेज थिंक एंड यू आर द पार्ट ऑफ डिविनिटी। आपका जैसा इस दुनिया में कोई भी नहीं है, बस इतना सोचें। और आपके बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, आप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट व्यक्ति है अपने जीवन में। आप किसी दूसरे से कंपैरिजन नहीं करें। यदि आपको कंपटीशन करना है तो अपने साथ कंपटीशन करें डेली, कि मैंने आज अच्छा पढ़ा है, कल इससे अच्छा पढ़ाऊंगा। आज मुझसे कुछ गलती हुई, मैं कल इस गलती को नहीं दोहराऊंगा। देखिए जीवन है ना, इवोल्यूशन का है। आपका कॉन्शियसनेस कितना ब्लॉसम होता है, कितना खिलता है, यही जीवन है। एंड से यस एवरी टाइम। व्हेन यू आर सेइंग यस, your conscience have broadened. When you say no, your conscience have contract. So always say, if you want to say no first, na say yes, then say no. Or not a passive yes, active yes. पता है आज मैं हूँ या प्रशांत सर के साथ ड्यू टू यस हूँ। आप टेलिंग आई हैव वेरी बिजी शेड्यूल, बट प्रशांत सर हैव व्हाट्सएप मी and due to yes, I know that sometime I can't attend, but yes, let us see. यदि ये स्लॉट निकाल पाए तो डेफिनेट कर पाएंगे हम लोग। तो प्लीज से यस। और ये पक्की बात है, जब आप यस करते हैं तो पूरा नेचर, पूरी प्रकृति आपके साथ है, पूरा डिवाइन आपके साथ है। जब आप हाँ कहते हैं ना, तो आप सोचो आपका काम होना ही होना है, कोई ताकत नहीं आपका काम रोक दे। और जिस तरह से प्रशांत सर और कुलदीप सर और विवेक सर ने प्रोग्राम रखा ना, इट्स ए बर्थ। इतनी कीमत वसूल की है इस प्रोग्राम में आप लोगों ने, आप सोच नहीं सकते। क्योंकि हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग भी हो रही है आपके साथ। ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर अप्लाइड, नॉट ए थ्योरी कोई था ही नहीं इसमें। मैं सुन रहा हूँ, जो देख रहा हूँ प्रेजेंटेशन प्रशांत सर का, पाटिल सर, काहले सर, डायस, बंसोड़ सर, ऑल मलिंगा मैम, ऑल आई थिंक दे आर renowned professors, they are icon in their fields. And how he collaborate, डॉक्टर प्रशांत ने कितनी मेहनत की हुई इस प्रोग्राम के लिए। ओनली जो ऑर्गेनाइजर है उसको पता होता है कितनी मेहनत है इस प्रोग्राम में। पता ऑनलाइन में ज्यादा मेहनत लगा मुझे तो। ऑनलाइन में यदि आपको किसी को एंगेज करना तो बहुत मेहनत है। ऑफलाइन में तो आपको कम से कम फेस टू फेस दिख रहा है, बोल रहा भाई साहब आप थोड़ा देखिए इधर। पर ऑनलाइन में यू कांट से एनीथिंग टू एनीवन। तो आप उसको, आप केवल क्रिएटिविटी से या उसके पैशन से ही आप उसको एंगेज कर सकते हैं। और मैं एक चीज समझ में आया डीपी सर, कि केवल आपका पैशन है उस सब्जेक्ट पे, तो ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन में मैटर नहीं करता। यदि आपका उस सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट है तो फिर थोड़ी देर बाद में ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन की तरह लगने लग जाता है। एग्री प्रशांत सर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
agree.
हाँ, यदि आपको उस सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट है, और मेरे को लग रहा है मैक्सिमम जो फार्मेसी के प्रोफेसर थे इसमें, क्योंकि फार्मेसी बहुत बड़ा फील्ड है आने वाले टाइम में, इतना बड़ा फील्ड आप सोच नहीं सकते। क्योंकि मेरा कहीं फार्मेसी बैकग्राउंड भी है, मेरे घर में मेरा भतीजा मेरे बराबर था, हम दोनों थे, वो बिट्स से प्लानी से एम फार्मी किया उसने। नाउ ही हैव अ ओन कंपनी ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल्स। मतलब फार्मेसी को हम जब बराबर के दो भाई होते हैं तो एक सब्जेक्ट दूसरे सब्जेक्ट का, मेरा इंजीनियरिंग था, उसका फार्मेसी था, मैं फार्मेसी को ज्यादा जानता हूँ, वो इंजीनियरिंग को ज्यादा जानता है। दिन भर वही फार्मास्यूटिक्स कॉग्नोसी सब पढ़ते, मैं भी पढ़ डाला उनको बैठे बैठे। जब बात करते हैं तो सब डोजर पता नहीं क्या, मतलब आज की एज में मैं लॉट ऑफ टर्म्स ऑफ फार्मेसी एंड कॉग्नोसी सूटिक्स में बहुत सारी बात कर सकता हूँ मैं। बट व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग, प्लीज फील प्राइड एंड साइन ऑफ सक्सेस इज स्माइल। आप कैसे भी हो, कुछ भी हो, हार्डली मैटर, बट व्हेन यू आर स्माइलिंग ना, यू आर सक्सेसफुल। Nobody is seeing your post, your money, your gadi, your Bangalore. Nobody is seeing. Everybody is seeing your nature or your smile of face. When you are smiling na, people will smile. And DP sir, मैं तो रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा ऑल फैकल्टी से, प्लीज डू some yoga and meditation daily. It is most powerful thing in life. Most powerful thing in life. Because it creates energy. Your energy is high na, then you can attract anyone. Your energy is low, so people will feel low. When your energy high na, you believe in na, there is no doubt, no conflict, no irritation. When your energy is low, every time you are in doubt, you are irritating, you are showing angerness to anyone. Please keep your energy high. You know, for high energy, only few things is needed: good food, good sleep, good company, very good company, and little bit breathing techniques and meditations and yoga. I highly recommend to everyone. सर मैं कुलदीप सर का सेशन था, ताण तणाव व्यवस्थान, मराठी ना, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल ना, ताण तणाव व्यवस्था. So I like this sentence actually. That's why I written it on. I'm very
It
grateful.
will attract the participants, sir.
Sure, Kuldeep sir. Today's need, I'm telling. In अटल FDP हम लोगों ने एक सेशन इसलिए कंपलसरी किया कि ये आज का नीड है, और नीड इसलिए कि अब जो इंडियन कल्चर था वो बहुत बड़ा कल्चर था, उसको कहीं ना कहीं हमने छोड़ दिया. एवरी मंत्रा हैव अ पावर. और मैं तो प्रशांत सर आपको कह दूंगा, आप एक DST में कई प्रोजेक्ट डालें स्पिरिचुअल लैब का, यू कैन एक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स पे, एक्टिव मटेरियल्स पे आप डालें, क्योंकि आज के जमाने में साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन करना पड़ेगा अपनी मेडिसिन्स को भी, हर्बल मेडिसिन्स को भी. मेडिसिन में दम है, बट तो कहीं ना कहीं हमने जो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन था वो कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन नहीं था अपने पास में. इसलिए कई चीजें, जब मंत्राज, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन लॉट ऑफ मंत्राज एक्चुअली, साइंटिफिकली आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट, एलिमेंट्स आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट. माय PhD on criminal reformations actually. I have reformed more than 1,000 criminals, 25,000 criminals I have reformed. They are working in villages. Everybody is good inside, I am telling. Everybody is good inside. Nobody is bad. मेरे को आज तक इस दुनिया में कोई भी आदमी खराब नहीं मिला. कहीं ना कहीं उसमें कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा ही है. तो उस अच्छाई को बढ़ा दो, वो और भी अच्छा हो जाएगा. ऑल फैकल्टी से मैं यही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि जो आपने सीखा है ना, वो पूरा एग्जीक्यूट करें, 100% एग्जीक्यूट करें. मैं प्रशांत सर के बिहाफ पे या GP जलगांव के बिहाफ पे कह सकता हूँ, दे आर अवेलेबल फॉर यू फॉर 24 hours. I can say the way they are presenting the things, that they are behaving, they are following the things. मेरे को बुलाना कहीं ना कहीं लिटिल टफ काम था, बट मैं बोला यार प्रशांत सर का मैसेज आया, लेट अस सी, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज इतनी बड़ी मेहनत कर रहा है, क्योंकि बहुत आप देखेंगे पूरी लिस्ट में टोटल मिला के हमने 1500 प्रोग्राम स्पॉन्सर्ड किया, उसमें पॉलिटेक्निक देखेंगे तो बहुत मिनिमम पॉलिटेक्निक्स है, बहुत रेयर पॉलिटेक्निक्स को हमने प्रोग्राम दिया है। बट कहीं ना कहीं जो स्क्रूटनी कमेटी थी उसने ये टॉपिक देखा और हम लोग थोड़ा हिल गए थे जब ये प्रपोजल जा रहा था गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक को, तो हम थोड़ा अंदर से हिल रहे थे, हाउ दे विल कंडक्ट, कहीं उस क्वालिटी पे हुआ कि नहीं, जो IIT के लेवल पे प्रोग्राम चल रहे हैं उस लेवल पे प्रोग्राम होगा कि नहीं होगा। आप प्रशांत सर यदि स्टेटिक्स देखेंगे ना अपने प्रोग्राम्स की, ऑलमोस्ट 20 स्टेट से तो आपके यहाँ लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया होगा।
Yes, sir, definitely.
हाँ, मोर देन 100 इंस्टीट्यूशंस होंगे, मतलब 50 to 100 इंस्टीट्यूशंस होंगे, तो इट इज ए पैन इंडिया प्रोग्राम। और जो आपने प्रोग्राम किया, माउथ पब्लिसिटी इतनी पावरफुल होती है ना, आप किसी को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते बोलने के लिए कि ये अच्छा प्रोग्राम है, पर आपका क्वालिटी फोर्स करता है लोगों को बोलने के लिए कि अच्छा प्रोग्राम है। आज जिस हिसाब से डॉक्टर नितिन, डॉक्टर बंदना ने बोला, डॉक्टर अमोल ने बोला, डॉक्टर बंदना ने बहुत लंबा बोला और बहुत अच्छा बोला। बंदना पाटिल में हमने डॉक्टर नितिन ने भी शुरू से स्टार्ट किया था, बहुत अच्छा बोला, बिकॉज दे हैव लर्न लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम दिस प्रोसेस एक्चुअली। और डॉक्टर दीपक बोलते वो मॉडल्स को काफी टाइम से यूज कर रहे हैं, पर अभी और भी अच्छा लगा उनको ये देख के। अगेन आई एम टेलिंग, फील प्राइड, से यस एंड स्माइल, and last but not least, India is a very big country. Please contribute. आप कुछ भी करके आप सोचे मुझे क्या मिलेगा वो मत सोचा, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ ये सोचे आप बस। जैसे आप ये सोचोगे ना, आपको बड़ा अंदर से अच्छा लगेगा। आपको दुखी रहना तो कब, केवल आपको दुखी रहने का शौक है ना, तो केवल एक काम सोचेगा, मेरे को क्या मिलेगा, आप दुखी हो जाएंगे, पक्की बात है। और आपको यदि खुश रहना है तो आप सोचे मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, आप यू विल बी द हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड आने लगे। एक छोटा सा स्टोरी से मैं खत्म करूंगा। एक मंदिर होता है, उस मंदिर में आप फाउंडेशन देखें तो पत्थर का है, बाउंड्री देखें तो पत्थर की है, सीढ़ियां देखें तो पत्थर की है, मूर्ति देखें तो पत्थर की है, गुम्बद देखें तो वो भी स्टोन है, एवरीवेयर इज स्टोन। बट कौन सा स्टोन कहाँ लगेगा ये एक कारीगर को पता है। बट यदि एक भी स्टोन नहीं है उसमें से तो मंदिर कंप्लीट नहीं होता। मतलब यदि फाउंडेशन से एक स्टोन निकल जाए तो मंदिर अनकंप्लीट माना जाएगा। ये मूर्ति में से स्टोन निकल जाए तो अनकंप्लीट माना जाएगा, ये सीढ़ियों से भी स्टोन निकल जाए तो अनकंप्लीट माना जाएगा। हर स्टोन की, हर पत्थर की उतनी इंपॉर्टेंस जितनी मूर्ति की इंपॉर्टेंस। तो आप अपने आप को कम बिल्कुल नहीं समझे, यू आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट। पर आपको जहां प्लेस किया गया है वो आपकी जगह है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, उतने इम्पोर्टेंट है जितना फाउंडेशन का स्टोन है, उतना ही मूर्ति का स्टोन उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट, नॉट लेस देन इट। तो आप जहां भी हैं अपने आप को प्राइड फील करें, लो फील करें ही नहीं। इस जीवन में लो फील करने का कोई कारण ही नहीं है आपके पास। और थोड़ी देर यदि लो फील करें तो कुछ ना कुछ खा पी के मस्ती करके फिर निकल रहे हैं। देखो नेचर है, रहेगा थोड़ा बहुत हाई लो चलेगा, इससे मन की प्रवृत्तियां हैं। टेंडेंसी ऑफ माइंड इज क्लिंग टू नेगेटिव, एवरी टाइम क्लिंग टू नेगेटिव, इट इज टेंडेंसी ऑफ माइंड। बट इफ यू आर मैच्योर, क्वाइट मैच्योर, नाउडेज फैकल्टी इज मैच्योर। कहीं बोला था प्रशांत सर ने बोला था, फैकल्टी इज क्वाइट मैच्योर, इंफॉर्मेशन कोई कमी नहीं है, विजडम का थोड़ा सा। एंड प्लीज अपनी लाइफ में स्पिरिचुअलिटी को डाल ही रहे। इंडियन कल्चर इज मोस्ट पावरफुल कल्चर, आई एम टेलिंग। इंडिया इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल कंट्री। आप घूमे फिरे, इंडिया से बड़ा इस दुनिया में मैंने तो कोई कंट्री नहीं देखा। क्या नहीं है इस कंट्री में, काम करने का इतना स्कोप है, आप सोच नहीं सकते। थैंक यू प्रशांत सर, आपने मुझे मौका दिया और मैं अटल अकेडमी की तरफ से आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि आपने हमारे प्रोग्राम की गरिमा को हम जिस एक्सपेक्टेशन थे उससे ज्यादा रखा, इसलिए हम आपको लिए सैल्यूट करते हैं। सैल्यूट टू ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स। और आपका कोई सजेशन हो प्लीज इस प्रोग्राम्स को, जो अटल के साथ प्रोग्राम हुआ है, इसको आप सोशल मीडिया में जितना पॉपुलर कर सकें, ट्विटर पे, फेसबुक पे, आप जहां यूट्यूब पे जहां भी पॉपुलर कर सकते करें। और जितना अच्छा लिख सकते हैं, अभी अच्छा लिखना पड़ेगा। अच्छे लोगों को दादागिरी करनी पड़ेगी। अच्छे लोग दादागिरी नहीं करते, बात करते हैं। अच्छे लोग जिस रोज दादागिरी करने लग जाएंगे ना, सिस्टम में चेंज आने लग जाएगा। मैं आपको कहता हूँ कि आप दादागिरी करें, पूरी दादागिरी करें। जितना अच्छा सीखा है, जो अच्छा लगा वो बोले, खराब क्या लगा वो बिल्कुल नहीं बोले आप। हाँ बिल्कुल नहीं, खराब 1% खराब लगता है उसको आप 101% कर देते हैं, जो अच्छा लगता है 99% उसको बोलते ही नहीं आप। मैं फैकल्टी से आगे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, आपको जितना भी अच्छा लगा ना उसके बारे में खूब लिखें, आप मीडिया पे लिखें, अपने दोस्तों को लिखें, इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में खूब लिखें, क्योंकि हमें ऐसे कॉलेज को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, इनकी हिम्मत को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। आज गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक ने इतनी बड़ी हिम्मत किया कि नेशनल लेवल पे उन्होंने कम्पीट किया। 1500 इंस्टीट्यूट में से आपका गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक जलगांव को कोई प्रोग्राम मिला है, तो यदि उसके बारे में अच्छा लिखेंगे ना तो लोगों को लगेगा हाँ क्या पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज भी अच्छा प्रोग्राम कर सकते। जनरली जो आपको पता है क्या इमेज है, अरे वहाँ फैकल्टी नहीं है, ऐसा है वैसा, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, वो अपन को सोच रहे ही नहीं। एंड एनी टाइम यू कैन कॉल मी, respected faculty members, you can call me anytime for any work. I'm ready, I'm 24 hours available. And see our website, apply for projects. There is 40 type of project is there in AICT. We are sponsoring more than crore rupees, but people are not applying. Please apply, and see our website, daily website. And thank you Prashant sir, thank you Kuldeep sir, thank you DP sir, pranam DP sir.
Thank you very much, Garg sir, for your valuable words. Definitely, I will assure that. Sorry, we will assure that we will strive harder and harder to achieve better and better in the future. Now, I take this opportunity to ask to the Garg sir, why not AICT will take initiative to have the LMS of AICT own and adjust the registration charges in the affiliation charges only, so that every institute will have its own LMS site and will work so nicely. Sir, please think for this.
कुलदीप सर, मैं थोड़ा सा बोलना चाहूंगा सर। वी आर वर्किंग, कंट्री इज वेरी बिग, आई एम टेलिंग लॉर्ड, देश बहुत बड़ा है, हमारे पास 11,400 मोर देन 11,000 इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर, अभी पूरा डेटा कैप्चर भी नहीं कर पा रहे हम लोग, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है। वी आर वर्किंग ऑन एलएमएस। अभी हमने बहुत पूरे साल भर पूरा टाई अप किया था कि हम एयरटेल का एक एलएमएस क्रिएट कर दें जिसके किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट को कुछ करना ही नहीं पड़े, उसी प्लेटफॉर्म पर सब कुछ चलता रहे। पर बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट चल रहे थे, बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म आ रहा था, 1500 प्रोग्राम से 2 लाख पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही थी। बट हाँ, नेक्स्ट ईयर हमको लग रहा है हम इस लेवल पर काम कर पाएंगे। और एक और भी कोई पूछना चाहे क्वेश्चन, आई एम रेडी टू आंसर। मेरे को अच्छा लगता है क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन करना।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
कोई भी किसी भी तरह का कोई प्रश्न पूछना चाहे रिगार्डिंग अटल एफडीपी, रिगार्डिंग एआईसीटी, रिगार्डिंग लाइफ आल्सो, आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ, एंड माय वाइफ इज विथ वर्किंग इन एनएचआई, नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, सी जीएम इन एनएचआई, नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया में। मतलब हाउ वी कैन कंट्रीब्यूट, आई एम टेलिंग, वी वांट टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू नेशन एवरी टाइम। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू, वेरी ग्रेटफुल।
Thank you, sir. Nothing great will be achieved without a great man. And men are only great if they are determined to do so. So today we have a guest of honor, Sri Nandev Nate sir. He has worked in so many chairs that I couldn't have that much of experience now. Presently, he is working as a joint director, technical education, Nashik Divisional Office, Nashik. He is a so nice person and so disciplined. But I found when I met with him, though he is far away from us, but his blessing and his courageous words are always make us powerful to do better and better. So dear participants, we are happy to have with us Nate sir. So I call upon Nate sir to please bless us with our words.
थैंक यू। आवाज आ रही क्या?
Yes sir, yes sir.
सबसे पहले तो मैं थैंक्स एक्सप्रेस करना चाहूंगा डॉक्टर गर्ग सर के, जिन्होंने हमारे जलगांव पॉलिटेक्निक को एफडीपी प्रोग्राम के लिए चुना। सर, मैं ये जो हमारे प्रोफेसर है डॉक्टर प्रशांत, उसके बाद में अरगड़े, हमारे प्रिंसिपल वेस्ली, और ये लोगों की यदि मैं तारीफ करना शुरू कर दूं तो ये मेरी खुद की तारीफ होगी। मैं इन लोगों के बारे में सर आपको एक ही चीज बताना चाहूंगा कि ये जो हमारे पॉलिटेक्निक के टीचर्स है, इनके लिए मेरे पास में एक ही शब्द है, ये बहुत ही उपजाऊ खेती है सर। इतनी उपजाऊ मिट्टी है कि कोई भी बिजाई आप बो दो और भगवान की कृपा से पानी आए या ना आए, फिर भी आपको फसल तो मिलनी है। ऐसी ये हमारे पॉलिटेक्निक की उपजाऊ खेती है। तो मैं बहुत ही कृतज्ञ हूँ कि AICTE ने ये एफडीपी प्रोग्राम्स में बहुत से पॉलिटेक्निक्स को चुना, और खास करके हमारे जो सही पॉलिटेक्निक है वो भी चुने गए। सर, हम लोग गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक के लोग हैं। महाराष्ट्र के बारे में आपको बताऊंगा कि हम कभी भी पीछे नहीं रहे हैं। वर्ल्ड बैंक टिकेट 2 प्रोजेक्ट, जो ये हमारे देश में हमको जो असिस्टेंस मिला था वर्ल्ड बैंक से, तो उस समय महाराष्ट्र पहला स्टेट था जिन्होंने एट ए टाइम महाराष्ट्र में के 17 पॉलिटेक्निक्स को ऑटोनॉमस स्टेटस अवार्ड किया। ये महाराष्ट्र में, और सभी जो मेरे 40 पॉलिटेक्निक्स है गवर्नमेंट के, हर चीज में आगे रहे। आप सर स्कीम फ्लोट कीजिए, हम लोग वहां पे है। और मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये है कि हमारे लोग प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच के लोग हैं। हम लोग थियोरेटिकल कुछ भी नहीं करते, या तो हमको थियोरेटिकल कुछ भी आता नहीं है। हमें पता है कि हम जो बच्चों को पढ़ाने वाले हैं उसका इस्तेमाल हो उनके लाइफ में। हम प्रमाण पत्र के लिए या किताब में थीसिस रखने के लिए, अलमारी में रखने के लिए कभी नहीं पढ़ाते। तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई सर, एक तो आपने प्रोग्राम चूज किया, आज आप चीफ गेस्ट करके हमारे प्रोग्राम में शामिल हुए।
I think there is some issue of the network.
इतने महत्व के हैं कि उस प्रोग्राम से ये रिवॉल्यूशन होने वाला है। रिवॉल्यूशन के लिए काफी समय लगता है। उसके बाद में मैं थोड़ा चार्जर बदलना चाहूंगा, कृपया 1 मिनट के लिए आप
आराम से बदले, आप बदले।
थोड़ा इसमें प्रॉब्लम आ गया है मोबाइल में। तो हम लोग जो है सर अक्सर ये कोशिश करते हैं, और सभी लोग ऐसा करें कि हमारा देश बड़ा है। सर ने सही कहा, कोई चेंज इतना आसान नहीं है और हमको जुड़े रहना है। AICTE जो बताए उस चीज से हमको जुड़े रहना है, और मिरेकल के लिए थोड़े पेशेंस की, साईं कहते हैं श्रद्धा और सबूरी ये सबसे बड़ी बात है, उसके सिवा कुछ हासिल होने वाला नहीं है। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आपने जो प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंट किया, सही मायने में आपने OB करिकुलम की जो फिलॉसफी थी वह इम्प्लीमेंट की है आपके प्रोग्राम में ही। तो इस तरीके से प्रोग्राम जो आपने इम्प्लीमेंट किया है वो बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, फीडबैक अच्छा है, आपको डॉक्टर गर्ग सर के आशीर्वाद मिले हैं और इसी तरीके से बच्चों को हम लोग सभी पढ़ाते रहेंगे और AICTE के साथ में जुड़े रहेंगे, जिसके साथ में हमारे स्टूडेंट्स कम्युनिटी का ये आखिरी तक के भला हो। मैं सबको बधाई देता हूं और धन्यवाद देता हूं एक बार फिर AICTE को, अटल एकेडमी को और पर्टिकुलरली डॉक्टर गर्ग सर को, और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय महाराष्ट्र सर।
धन्यवाद सर।
Thank you very much, sir, for your nice words. Every program is get successful. Behind this, there is a man who is not observed by the other people, but he pull us back when we are violent. He push us forward when we are slow down. So I call upon Dr. S.B. Wesley, sir, to share his valuable experience with us.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak in the valedictory function of 1 week FDP on effective OB implementation using learning management system. I thank Professor Nate sir, Joint Director, Regional Office of Technical Education, Nasik. And I also thank Honorable Girdalal Garg sir, Assistant Director of Atal Academy, for accepting our invitation and joining as a chief guest, both of them. I thank them very much. And I thank Atal Academy also for giving us this opportunity to run this FDP. I was glad to hear that among 5,000 applications for FDPs, there only 1,500 were selected, and our polytechnic was one of them. And when I was seeing the various text feedbacks and also the feedbacks of 4 people who have orally given their feedbacks, my heart was filled with joy, and I've become more proud about our pharmacy department, Dr. Prashant Argade and his team. I actually I'm very glad that they could organize this well-planned and designed FDP, and which was presented with professionally, and for choosing various resource faculties from far-off places also, capable people who could teach the faculty. I also thank all the participants for choosing our polytechnic and this FDP to learn about this OB implementation. And Government Polytechnic Jalgaon, as such, you may have already got information about it. We have a faculty strength of around 60, and we have some overall manpower of around 140-150 people, and we have a student strength of 2,000 people, more than 2,000 students, and scores of companies visit our premises for campus selections. Many of our students are chosen and are working, and many of them go for higher education also. And our Government Polytechnic Jalgaon has the it is always our earnest endeavor to keep up to date with the latest technology. And in any given month, tens of faculty of our institute are undergoing FDP programs. And as Professor Argade was saying, that the Department of Pharmacy has conducted more than 100 sessions of FDP sessions during this pandemic. And now all these participants, they have learned about this outcome-based education system, module learning management system, learning strategies, implementation of this LMS, and creation of rubrics, assessment, and all these things, assessment strategies. And I think it is my opinion that after this pandemic goes, in the post-pandemic era, online teaching will become a norm. We cannot eliminate hereafter, though we may have physical contact also. I don't want to further encumber you. I will be leaving shortly. So at the last, I once again thank Professor Nate, Dr. Garg, Dr. Argade, and the organizing team and all the participants for all their contributions. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your words showering on us. Now it's time to call upon Dr. Vivek Kahare to deliver a vote of thanks.
Yes. Good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of Government Polytechnic Jalgaon, with due respect to Honorable Professor D.P. Nate sir, as well as Honorable Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg, our principal and our coordinator of this program, Prashant sir, I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this valedictory session of 1 week FDP. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making this 5 days event a resounding success. On behalf of Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon, first and foremost, I thank to AICTE in its endeavor has taken initiative for conducting FDP through ATAL, that is AICTE Training and Learning Academy. My heartfelt thanks to Honorable Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg for accepting our invitation for this valedictory function of entitled Effective OB Implementation Using Learning Management System. Thank you, sir, for your valuable guidance as well as your purity and divine words for us. These words are encourage us for the near future to conducting such kind of the FDPs for all the different participants at our endeavor. Thank you, sir, for your kind presence and most valuable words for us. Now, I would like to take an opportunity to our Honorable Dr. Professor Gnaneshwar P. Nathe, Joint Director, Regional Office, Nashik. In their name, they are a Jnanadev. So in our Garg sir, I would like to tell you, in our Marathi, Jnanadev is providing the knowledge to the, so that I would like to explain you. So such kind of the person behind us, stand behind us every time, motivate us, cooperate us, and they are encourages us every time, and they are the inspiration for us. Though they are the host for today's function, but still our mind says, I would like to say, my dear Dr. Professor DP Nathe sir, thank you very much for being with us in this valedictory session and all the such kind of the functions, and you are continuously motivated us. Now it's time to give my heartfelt thanks to the principal, Dr. S.B. Wesley sir, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon, for their continuous motivation, support, and encouragement, and providing the energy for organization of such kind of the activity. They have also taken the so many of efforts for their faculty members to get inspired every time. They every time motivate us, they every time present with us, they every time behind with us. So thank you very much sir for your continuous motivation and continuous support to us, to Dr. S.B. Wesley sir. Now it's time to we are on behalf of Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon, we are grateful to our resource person, specifically Dr. P. Maliga madam, Head Center for Educational Media and Technology, NITTR Chennai. She has enlightened us on Bloom taxonomy. She has given us a valuable insight regarding the Bloom taxonomy and surrounding the topic related to that. It is really riches to us, and participant has given us a excellent feedback on her behalf, Dr. P. Maliga. Now, I really take an opportunity or a privilege to extend my gratitude to Dr. R.J. Das sir, Head of the Department, Government Pharmacy College, Karad. They have the real mentor for us also, because they were just transferred from here to the Karad, and they are really trigger us for doing such kind of the activity when they were HOD here in the Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon. They were given us an insight on introducing Moodle LMS. Moodle as a learning management system. Now, I would like to extend my gratitude towards Dr. Professor C.R. Patil sir, Dipsar, New Delhi. They were enlighten us on ICT tools. Even in the 1.5 years before, they were in the Jalgaon when they were physical FDP in our department, and that time also they trigger the ICT tools, and that is to be now we will going to implement. So they are the real intuitor for us, for giving us a online platform. Thank you very much, Dr. C.R. Patil sir. Now, I would like to say, I am very grateful to Dr. Vinay Kulkarni, Associate Professor, D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akuldi, Pune. They have given us a valuable insight on Moodle Genomio platform, and also they were they were introducing in our department regarding the Moodle before the 2 years back. So I really thankful to Dr. Vinay Kulkarni sir. Now it's time to say thank you to all chairperson who have dedicatedly chaired the all session and summarize it and accepting invitation to chair the individual session. So thank you all the chairpersons for the individual session. This is out of the participant and they have really concluded very well every session. I really thankful to him, them. Now it's time to say thank you to all the participants, to all the learners. What a enthusiastic participation in this continuous 5 days FDP. They were participated very well, and that's why the resource person and the organizer build motivation to need to provide a quality and quality every time. So these are the very interesting faculty members we have in this particular FDP. They have joined us and participated very well. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart to all my dear participants. Now it's time to give thanks to organizer team. First of all, on behalf of Government Polytechnic Jalgaon, I would like to say thanks to our coordinator and HOD of Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon, Dr. Prashant Argade sir. Thanks is very small word for him because they have the continuous efforts in this particular FDP. It is no need to tell you that how they were work behind. They are continuously motivated, self-motivated person, and they, because of their self-motivation, we also inspired, we also motivated. So thank you very much. And now it's time to say thank you to my all other colleagues. So specifically Dr. Kuldeep Bansor sir, they have taken the so many of efforts. They continuously given the so many of the other resource persons and given the insight regarding this effective OB implementation for this learning management system. So thank you, Kuldeep Bansor sir. I would like to thank you, Dr. I would like to thank you, Rakesh Davde sir. I would like to thank you, Gaikwad sir. I would like to thank you, Dr. Chaitali Pawar madam, for their support for the conduction of this, smoothly conduction of this FDP. So thank you, my dear colleagues. Now, at last, one media coverage which was given by Dr. Ashish Vikhar sir, which is from the Mechanical Department of Government Polytechnic Jalgaon. I would like to say thanks to Dr. Ashish Vikhar sir. They were given us a very well done in the media coverage. And at last, thank you those who are knowingly and unknowingly behind the success of this program. So thank you, thanks a lot, thank you very much to all of you and one and all. So here I stop.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kale, for delivering the vote of thanks. Now, with the permission of the guest and the chairman of the session, I declare that the valedictory function is over. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy.
Thank you, Nate sir. Thank you, Garg sir.
Thank you, Prashant sir. Blessed by Nate sir.
Yes, leave the call, sir. Now.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence.
Thank you, Prashant sir. Well done. Dr. Vivek, well
Yes.
done. Well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So those participants are there. Kindly start your camera. So we will have one group photo and leave the meeting, please. Kindly mute your mic.
Thank you, Dr. Argade, sir. Very nice program. Thank you.
Umesh. Thank you, Dr. Umesh. So just have one photograph, so we will keep the memory with us. So it's very easy to take all the faces in one screen due to this situation. Just I want to take a screenshot. That's good. One more I will take. Thank you very much for your active participation. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
थँक यू आरगडे सर. देव लाईट गेलेले आहेत, मोबाईल वरती चालू आहे सध्या.
Very nice session, sir. It was a really amazing journey for these 5 days, and we're definitely looking forward to meet you people in person. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Have a good day all.